Traffic Jeet has everything you need for YouTube SEO and analysis. With this tool, you will have all that you need to create a powerful YouTube strategy that gets you ahead really fast. Let's see all the things it can do for you. This is a complete SEO tool with a number of functions. It lets you find video keywords in your niche, discover the top videos for any keyword, analyze the stats for any video, compare video growth and ranking with your own videos and your competitors' videos, check competition on Google for any video, and monitor in real time how the rankings of your videos evolve for key keywords. Now let's see each feature in detail and learn how exactly it can help you create a winner YouTube channel. The first option is Find Keywords. Click on it and fill your root keyword or any keyword from your niche. Let's pick smartphone apps for example. You can see all the keywords that you worked with earlier in the list for quick access. Let's click on Go for this one. Traffic Jeet is getting you the best keywords in this niche from YouTube. Here's the list now. You can see the entire list of keywords by scrolling down, and you can export this to a CSV file by clicking this button. You can also check if there are any videos on the first page of Google for this keyword by clicking on the question mark in front of each keyword. If a video is not on the first page of Google for this keyword, then you can target it, and by ranking this keyword, you can get a huge amount of traffic from YouTube as well as Google. Traffic Jeet gives you some very interesting keyword discovery features. Just click on any keyword to see more keywords related to this one. This way you can keep discovering the keywords in your niche endlessly. Here's the list of new keywords for the keyword that I clicked on. See this little icon over here? Clicking on it will show you the top videos for this keyword, so that you will know how strong your competition is. The second option in Traffic Jeet is the top videos. Click on this button and fill in any keyword from your niche. Traffic Jeet will show you the top videos for that keyword along with some very interesting stats. Let's go with smartphone apps again. Click on Go. Here are the top videos. You can see the video, the title of the video, the number of comments on it, the number of views, the video age, the video rating, and the description. All of this info will help you decide quickly whether the keyword is worth targeting or not. If the top videos don't have really powerful stats, then you can target the keyword and rank quickly. But if you see the top videos with tens of thousands of views and likes, it's better to target another keyword. As usual, Traffic Jeet has some really nifty extras. You can watch the video in browser by clicking on the screenshot, which will take you to the YouTube video page. Click on the username to see the channel page for that user and discover other interesting videos that you can target or benefit from. And by clicking on the little magnifying glass over here, you can see the detailed stats for this video, including the keywords that the video is targeting. Imagine how easy that makes your SEO job. Getting the titles, the descriptions, the stats, the keywords. All of this information makes every point of SEO work easy, right from deciding what keywords to target, to what titles to use, to what descriptions to use, and what keywords to use in the video that you are creating. Next, we have Analyze Videos. This option lets you get the stats for any video on YouTube. Let's fill in a video URL and try it. Fill the video URL over here. Click Go. As you can see, it gives you the video stats like views, comments, category, rating, tags, and the description. All these things that you can use to understand what makes this video tick. You can use this data to rank your videos for the same keywords, and if you use the same keywords as this video, you have a pretty strong chance of appearing in the related video list for this. This way you can use the popularity of any video to get more views on your own video. Isn't that a fantastic trick? Let's go back to the main page. The next feature is the video ranker. To really have a strong video strategy, it's important to know what videos are working and which videos are not working on YouTube. You need to track not only your own videos, but also the videos of your competitors. What if you could keep a tab on your competitors' videos and find out which one of their videos are doing well? Then you could just target the same market as their most popular videos. That's a fast way to rake in some good money, isn't it? To do this, all you need to do is create a set in the video ranker and add your own video URLs to the set. You can do this by typing a name here and clicking on add new set, but let's go with one of the sets that I've already created. Now you just need to sit back, and when you run Traffic Jeet every day, it will collect the video stats and show you the performance of each video over time through a graph. You can add as many videos as you want to the set and see different kind of stats like views and comments. Use this information to see what videos are really trending and go for that niche. If you scroll down, you can see the stats for each day for the videos. This way you can actually find out what videos will help you get the maximum revenue, and you can go for those keywords and those videos which will bring in the moolah for you, and avoid the ones that will not work in your market. The next feature gives you a super way to rank on YouTube quickly. It's the keyword checker. Just fill in all the keywords you want in this box and click check for videos. Traffic Jeet will check Google and find out if there are any videos on the front page of Google for these keywords. If there are no videos on the front page, you can target those keywords and rank a video on Google in no time. This will give you a lot of traffic not only from YouTube but also from Google. Let's try it. Let's fill in a couple of keywords. Right, so we have two keywords over here, and let's click on check for videos. Alright, so you can see that one of these keywords has a video on the front page and the other one doesn't. If you target the one that has no video on the front page of Google, there's a pretty good chance of ranking and getting a good amount of traffic. It's a trick that you can use in your ranking strategy, which will give you some very good results. Finally, there's the rank checker. It's another great feature that will help you in tracking your video rankings for specific keywords. Let me tell you how it can help you. Fill in the video title, the URL, and the keywords you want to check the video for. Whenever you run this, Traffic Jeet will get the latest rankings for this video. This way, you can keep a track of how your videos are progressing over time for important keywords. You'll know immediately when a video climbs a spot or goes down, and you will be able to modify your SEO strategy accordingly. It will also keep you informed about any competing videos that could be climbing the charts and could be competing with your business. Here we need to create a set of keywords for each video that we need to target. You can create as many sets of keywords and videos that you want. But right now, let's just click on introducing yourself, a set which I have already created, and let's see how it works. Right, so it's fetching the ranks now. You can now see my old and new rankings, and in this case they are the same because I checked them just yesterday. If the ranking goes down, you will see them highlighted in red, so you will know that something is wrong. You can add a new keyword to Traffic Jeet by clicking on the Add Keywords button. Let's type in a new keyword and see how it works. What about how to introduce yourself in English, since we have these keywords which are all related to introducing yourself. Press OK. The rankings are being processed again. As you can see, now I can see the ranking for my fresh keyword, and I'm ranking for number 3 for this particular keyword. This is how you can keep track of all your keyword rankings for any video. You can see how effectively a video is targeting a set of keywords. You can learn how it goes up or goes down, and you can do this not only for your videos but also for your competitors' videos, keeping yourself informed and making a powerful SEO strategy. With all these fantastic tools and features, Traffic Jeet is the best SEO suite for videos on the market. Remember, video SEO is not your regular web SEO. If you've been using the traditional web tools, don't be surprised if you don't get results. Get Traffic Jeet and see the difference it makes to your video marketing business. Good luck.